Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a cool Snapchat feature that's perfect for 2025: how to half swipe like a pro. If you're new here, I'm your go-to guide for all things social media hacks. So, let's jump right in. First off, what's half swiping? It's a sneaky way to preview a Snapchat message or story without fully opening it, which means you can check content discreetly without triggering read receipts or notifications. This is super useful for staying incognito or quickly scanning chats on the go. To get started, make sure you have the latest Snapchat app installed on your phone. We're talking about the 2025 updates, which might have some tweaks, but the basics remain the same. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app and log in if you haven't already. Once you're in, head over to your chat list by swiping right from the camera screen. Now, find the chat or story you want to preview. Here's the key part. Instead of fully swiping or tapping to open it, gently swipe halfway across the screen on that chat. You'll see a partial view of the message or snap pop up. Think of it as a quick glimpse. Hold it there for a second to read or see what's inside, but don't let it fully load, or you'll mark it as read. Pro tip. Practice this on a test account first to get the timing right, as swiping too far might accidentally open the whole thing. Why use half swiping? It helps you avoid awkward situations, like seeing something you didn't want to respond to right away. But remember, Snapchat's algorithms might detect repeated half swipes, so use it wisely to stay on the platform's good side. If you're having trouble, check your app settings for any privacy updates in 2025. Sometimes, features like this can be affected by your phone's sensitivity or Snapchat's latest patches. There you have it, folks. Mastering the half swipe can make your Snapchat experience way more fun and private. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.